Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. So welcome to my second video, and this is about SB19. The first one is about Cat's Eye. If you haven't watched that, please check it out guys. And for today's video, I'm gonna be focusing on SB19 once again because I love them. So this is entitled SB19 Funny Moments 2020 Year-End Compilation. Compilation? You have a choice, choose your fighter.
You gotta be kidding me.
Before I forgot, I almost forgot. So before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot and I appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel. I love you all. And yeah, I'm sending hugs, love, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So let's start the video in 3, 2, 1.
Guys, before this year end, I just want to greet everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for supporting Fanboy Updates and MJ Rubin Vlogs. I hope you're all doing great. Stay safe, y'all.
Yeah, don't forget the notification bell, guys. What is it? But it's not that bad though. It's not that bad.
Ipapasok ko sa face.
We're still not used to it, guys. We need some patience with Ken. Braces. MP4. Braces.
My bitch is pretty, you would never fit in.
So most of them used to wear braces, because I don't know. Oh my gosh, no.
Josh Colin Santos. Josh Colin Santos.
CTV. Melly!
We are going to pretend we didn't see that.
Sabay-sabay natin inaabangan ang pag-release ng hanggang sa huli music video!
Makuha kasi tingin B.
Are we doing this again? Dito. Okay. Keep going, don't stop.
Oh.
Do what you love what you do. If you love me, I love you.
I think we should accept that, guys. I just have a feeling that their staffs are having a hard time behind the camera as well. Like, it's hard to control 5 boys. I bet their managers are stressed as f.
Para sa future self ko, ayaw ko lumapit. Para sa future self ko, ikaw pa-apekto sa lahat ng mga negativity. Do what you love.
Again. Here we go again.
Love what you do. If you're in love with me, I love you. Thank you, Iti.
Oh my god, it's not funny.
Birthday ko to. Birthday ko sa ko. Anib yan. Birthday ko yan.
Ouch! Oh my gosh. Breed is savage.
Yes.
So these are old videos of SB19. Oh yeah, because it's 2024 already. This is 2020.
Nag-assume na ako sa bahay. Sabi ko siguro isa surprise nila ako pag ano. Pilipero!
Na-miss niyo ba ang isa't isa?
Oh.
Tatanda kaya?
Tanda ka pero di ka natatanggal. So, sino bubunot? Sino bubunot muna? Bunot muna matanda. Ikaw muna. Ikaw muna. So,
Oh my gosh.
Matanda daw. Ako sino matanda mo na?
I am disgusted. That was a big bite. Ouch! Oh my gosh.
Happy anniversary. Lahat kayo sorry.
When your purity stop. Oh my gosh. Stop. That spoon is clean.
What's up? Game na ba?
It's really hard to control them.
0838. 0838. Get back!
Hey, gusto mo ba ako na mag-step?
Namaya.
Para makita lang.
What?
Ka ng makulit, ahampasin dyan kita sa puwet.
Kulay ko yung white. Kulay nito
So
yung white.
wrong.
Hilingan kami hanggang sa huli, homemade. Ay, may kumakalat sa Twitter na yun. Kumakalat na yung talaga ba?
And it's from him.
Maraming time or maraming pera? 3, 2, 1.
The only one who answered right.
In the zone. Break. How we are. SB19. Get in the zone. Hey, where we are. SB19.
Yes!
It's not gonna go at the same time.
How's it?
Po, live pa rin daw po kami sa TikTok, kaya kung gusto niyo po mas makita closer, pwede po kayo pumunta po kayo sa office.
Gusto ko na rin po i-shoutout yung hayop na Tapsilugan.
Masasabi ka ba, Penny?
Masasabi ko lang. Wala na akong masasabi.
I bet this is live. This is a live because there's no cutting with lives.
A few minutes later.
Oh, it's their second anniversary. I know what it's called, but I just saw their background, so it's their second anniversary. Okay. Wait! Hard play. What the?
Girl!
Soir est un plat bien trop frais.
What's that? Ah, dessert. Dessert. It's a dessert. Coffee jelly. This is. Don't tell me this is ground pork or ground chicken. Like, stop. I don't think you're supposed to wash that. I just don't think you're supposed to wash that. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Oy.
Ooh.
Teka lang, kumusta yung natin lang yung tropa mag-weather?
Hello everyone, I'm Justin of SB19.
And I'm Justin of Tacloban City.
What the f?
We need to stop. Okay, sorry.
Ang pinaka mabait sa grupo.
Oh.
Kaya corny ka ako.
Yung itsura po namin, tapos si Japo, nakakaganda, may sumusuman siya.
He forgot about that candy. Oh gosh. Yeah, you have a big grip with that mic.
Sa isla, kasi simulan ko na po.
Good ah.
Oh no. Oh no. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I did. I've learned a lot from them again. They're actually fun. Oh my gosh. Like 18, I think we're doing a great job seeing all the that they're doing with their lives. So of course, we're proud with our boys, and yeah, let's continue to support SB19. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you on my next video. Bye!